Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G32 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM into this phone. Now before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector, kinda like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you will then want to take off a case if you have one on your device. I do, so off it goes. And our tray is located on the top left side of the phone, right here where the pin is holding right now. Push it in and you can see that the tray comes out, enough for you to just grab it, take it out. Now we do also have space for SD card on here, so I'm gonna grab one. And if you're placing two SIM cards, you can obviously occupy either one of those. For one and for both, just put it on both of them and SD card will go right over here. Like I mentioned, single SIM doesn't really matter which one you occupy. The only difference will be that when you go into these settings, it will either show SIM 1 or SIM 2, depending on which tray you occupied. But in terms of how it works, it changes literally nothing. So from here, carefully insert it back into your device. Carefully, because there is nothing really holding those cards in place, though the SD card is kind of a little bit held in place apparently. Anyway, once you insert it, the cards should start working right away. So it is looking for reception right now, and we should also have something about the SD card, which we do. So SD card, can format it. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.